Welcome to class. What we are doing today in this class is we are looking at this WAEC past question 2004 on change of subject of the formula. We have been on a series of solving WAEC past questions on change of subject of the formula. In this particular question, we have this for OBJ. So they say if x all over a plus 1 plus y all over b equals to 1, make y the subject of the relation. So we have this option A, option B, option C, option D. So we are going to solve to know the right answer. What do we do? We have x A plus 1 y over b equals to 1. The first thing we are going to do is to resolve this clause. So we are going to find the LCM. LCM of a plus 1 and b is going to be what? The LCM will be b a plus 1. If you want to find LCM now and you say a plus 1 and you have b, what can go? The first thing that can go is a plus 1. A plus 1 will divide this, give us 1, remaining b, bring it down. Next thing that can go is b. B, 1 will come down, 1 will come down, so we have this. So it will not be this times this. That's why we have it this way. I hope you understand. Before we go further, if you have not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. So this is the LCM of a plus 1 and b. Let's divide this into this into this way, divide this, leaving b. B times x will give us bx. We kill b, leaving this. So we'll now have y a plus 1 all equals to 1. You can also say 1 over 1, but let's not go there now. So we will now have bx plus y times a will give us ay, sorry, y times 1 will give us y, right? All over b times a will give us ab, b times 1 will give us b equals to 1 all over 1. 1 all over 1 is still 1. So we just cross multiply. This will times this, y this will times this. When we have this times 1 will give us bx plus ay plus y equals to this time this will give us ab plus what? Plus b. What are we finding the subject of the formula? Our goal is to make what? Is to make what? Y the subject of the formula. If that is the case, it means we will still need to factorize this. So we have bx plus y a plus 1, just like we had here, equals to ab plus b. Remember, we're trying to make y the subject of the formula, and your goal should be you keep removing things from y until y will be all alone. So we'll now we have to carry this to go to the other side. We'll have y a plus 1 equals to ab plus b. This is coming minus bx. Oh, you get? Oh, you are following? Now we will now have, let us factorize this. There is b here, there is b here, and there is b here. So we can just have y a plus 1 equals to, we have b here, we have B here, B here, here. So we now have A plus 1 minus X. We have factorized this. How do you know that? B times A will give us AB. Is it not? B times 1 will give us this plus B. B times minus X will give us minus BX. So we just factorize. We will now have this. Remember, we are trying to make Y a subject of the formula. What will you kill here so that Y will be all alone? Just remove this bracket. And how do you remove it? Divide both sides by the bracket. A plus 1 all over. A plus 1. If you kill and kill, you can find that your Y will now be all alone. So it means you will now have you have divided this and this, so it will now, Y will now be equals to B A plus 1 minus X all over A plus 1. Don't have it in the objectives. A is the answer. In A we have B A plus 1 minus X all over A. So in this expression, we have gotten that the option A is the answer of the question. If you did not get what we did, feel free to take your time, watch this tutorial slowly. Feel free to watch. We have done several other videos, tutorials on subject of the formula, change the subject of the formula. Feel free to go over to those videos, watch them over and over again. If you have any question concerning what we just did, feel free to ask us in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you will be able to see other things we have done in mathematics, physics, chemistry, English, and most other subjects. If you have any question, if there is any topic in any subject you want us to treat that we have not treated, go to the description right now, see our email address, send us an email, and one of our tutors will handle it in the next tutorial. Thank you for coming to class.